Essential for emergencies, jumpstarts dead batteries, inflates tires, charges devices, and ensures safety during travel or roadside breakdowns anytime. Today's video is about top 5 best car jumpstarter power banks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at YaberAuto Jumpstarter with Air Compressor. The YA9012-in-1 Jumpstarter is a powerful and highly versatile emergency tool designed for drivers who want full roadside confidence. With an impressive 8000 AP current, it can quickly jumpstart all 12V vehicles, including large gas engines and up to 14.0L diesel, even in extreme weather conditions. The force start feature is especially useful for completely dead batteries, making it a reliable lifesaver during emergencies. Beyond jumpstarting, it doubles as a 160 psi cordless air compressor with smart preset modes, auto shutoff, and a clear 3.3-inch display for accurate tire pressure control. It can inflate tires in just minutes and works for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports equipment. Its 65W fast charging capability turns it into a high-speed power bank for phones, tablets, and laptops, while the 160W DC output supports in-car devices. The 800-lumen LED light with multiple emergency modes adds extra safety at night. Built with 10+ protections and insulated gloves, it ensures safe operation. Overall, it is a complete all-in-one road trip and emergency kit. Now our second product is Soulor Jumpstarter with Air Compressor. The 6000A car jumpstarter with air compressor is a powerful all-in-one emergency tool designed for maximum roadside reliability. With its high 6000 AP current, it can instantly start all 12V vehicles, including up to 14.0L diesel engines, making it ideal for cars, SUVs, and heavy-duty vehicles. The included heavy-duty jumper cables and 400V insulated gloves add an extra layer of safety and convenience during emergency use. It also features a 150 psi air compressor with 45 liters per minute airflow, allowing fast inflation for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. The 3.3-inch LCD screen provides real-time pressure readings, preset modes, and auto shutoff to prevent overinflation, making tire maintenance simple and accurate. Beyond jumpstarting and inflation, it works as a 16-in-1 multifunction device with power bank capability, fast charging, and a 3-mode LED flashlight, SOS, strobe, illumination, for emergencies and outdoor use. Built with 10 safety protections, it ensures secure operation in all conditions. Compact, portable, and packed with features, it is a must-have travel companion for drivers and adventurers. Our third product is Auxbeam Jumpstarter with Air Compressor. The 3000A car jumpstarter with air compressor is a powerful and compact all-in-one roadside emergency tool designed for reliability and convenience. It can instantly jumpstart 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel engines, delivering up to 20 uses per charge. Built with ultra-safe technology and 10 layers of protection, it ensures spark-free and worry-free operation, even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 150 psi air compressor is highly efficient, inflating tires up to 25 faster than standard models with an auto-stop feature for accurate pressure control. The cool-down reminder also helps maintain safe operation during extended use, making it ideal for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. Despite its strong performance, the device remains lightweight and compact, small enough for glove box storage. The rugged ABS build, honeycomb cooling system, and smart cable storage enhance durability and portability. A clear 2.4-inch display shows real-time battery, pressure, and error data, even in bright sunlight. With 6-in-1 functionality including USB charging and an SOS flashlight, it's a true roadside survival companion every driver should have. Now number 4, Wolfbox Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator Air Compressor. The 45 LPM dual-cylinder tire inflator is a powerful and highly efficient portable air compressor designed for fast and reliable performance. With its upgraded dual-cylinder system, it can inflate a standard car tire, 195/65 or 15, from 29 to 36 psi in just 44 seconds, an SUV tire in around 1 minute 40 seconds, and a pickup truck tire in under 3 minutes, making it ideal for both everyday use and emergencies. Powered by a 3x4000 mAh, 44.4 Wh battery, it delivers impressive endurance, capable of inflating up to 23 car tires on a single charge. This makes it perfect for family cars and long road trips where multiple top-ups may be needed. The device features USB-C fast charging, allowing a full recharge in about 100 minutes with a 45W charger, and it can also work as a power bank for mobile devices. A built-in LED light with SOS mode ensures safety during nighttime emergencies. Its 3.5-inch dual digital display provides clear real-time pressure readings and preset control, while the upgraded Quick Connect chuck ensures a secure, leak-free connection. Compact yet powerful, it is a must-have tool for every driver. And our last choice is Joltekon Car Battery Jump Starter. The 8-in-1 car battery jump starter is a compact yet highly versatile emergency device designed for drivers who want complete roadside confidence. With a powerful 4500A peak current and force start function, it can instantly revive fully dead or low-voltage 12V batteries, even in extreme temperatures from -20°C to 60°C. It works reliably for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more, delivering multiple starts per charge with long standby capability. Beyond jump-starting, it features a 150 psi air compressor with a 19-cylinder motor, allowing fast tire inflation with preset modes, auto shutoff, and multiple nozzle options. This makes tire maintenance quick, safe, and convenient. The built-in 500-lumen LED light offers 4 emergency modes, including SOS, strobe, and flashlight, ensuring visibility and safety during roadside emergencies or nighttime repairs. A 3.3-inch smart display provides clear real-time information even under bright sunlight. It also works as a portable power bank with USB-C support for charging phones and devices. Built with 10 safety protections and a fire-resistant shell, it ensures maximum reliability. Overall, it's a powerful all-in-one travel essential for emergencies and outdoor adventures. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.